All right, let's talk about the Hermès Garden Party 36. It's in black Negonda leather, which has this almost pebbled texture, semi-rigid kind of leather and yet very soft to the touch. So it's going to be in there on the bottom, the top, and then the two handles in here, which are actually quite comfortable to hold. The rest of the bag, if I'm not mistaken, it's in a military toile and it's going to be quite resistant, and it's a very, very dark shade of navy blue, which I absolutely love. The combination of these two materials makes it a pretty durable bag, and even if I wear it almost on a daily basis and if it's traveled around the world with me, it still hasn't sagged one little bit. And I think that might also be because I keep a divider in it. It's got the most minimal silver or palladium hardware, as Hermès calls it, engraved in a very discreet way. This is a very sober bag, in my opinion. It's kind of one of those if you know, you know type of vibes. It's got a pretty roomy interior. There are no dividers or anything. So actually what I do is I keep this divider inside it. It's kind of like a satin texture, and it's gonna actually have another bag in there because I went to pick it up from Hermès a little bit earlier. The interior of the bag is just like one large tote, which I find pretty comfortable for the use that I give to it. But then on times when I actually want to have a little bit of pockets inside of it, I'll use something like this. For sunglasses, for example, that's very comfortable since they weren't inside of a case. And then my phone was just hanging around in there. This is just the strap that goes with that other bag I went to pick up a little bit earlier. And this, I guess, is the paperwork that they gave me for that bag I went to get a little bit earlier as well. There you can see the bag would maybe sag a tiny bit if it wasn't for that divider. So I really appreciate doing that the moment I get garden parties, because I think they're handbags that are kind of naturally prone to sagging a little bit.